turn out. There you go. There you go. Nice. 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 Hells yeah. Go below me. Yeah, I was like, don't go above me. Woo! Hell yeah. That was some badass shit right there. So I don't know, you probably can't tell, guys, but this is probably at least 35, 37 degrees. It's pretty steep. How was that?
Good. That was gangster.
This is called Heart Attack Hill.
Woo!
Check out that view.
There's my buddy Kyle.
Yo, yo.
Snowbike Nation.
Right.
Look at this epicness. Oh man, can't even tell you how bitchin' this is.
All right, day 2, Shred Fest with Jake from San Diego. Freaking ripping it.
Fired up?
Hell yeah. Here we go. Let's do it. Gorgeous day, Bluebird. All right, here we are in one of our riding zones. You can see that is Glacier National Park way over there, which you obviously cannot snowbike in, but you can in this area. So it's a beautiful area because you get to look into the park and see some epic views. And we're not even up high yet. Like, we're not even on top. So it's gorgeous out today. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, I am out here with Jake from San Diego. Jake is a motocross, enduro, MMA. Dude's freaking killing it out here. So, Jake, what do you think? First time snowbiking, second day, day 2.
Dude, this is absolutely, hands down, the most legit freaking experience I've had. I mean, this is absolutely unbelievable, man. If you got a chance to do this in your life, you are a lucky person.
So Jake, what would you say to guys that are like enduro, motocross guys? You know, what's the experience like riding on a snow bike versus doing, you know, enduro, motocross?
Well, first of all, if anybody has ridden enduro in the snow, you know it's not really all that fun. You can't really ride a dirt bike in the snow. So this is it, and it's unbelievable. These things are just, you can't imagine the kind of hills you can climb. You could just cut lines through the trees at will. You just flow. And when you carve a big turn, it's kind of like snowboarding because you can feel the rail of the ski and you just bury into it. And you have to learn to trust the front end. You're not steering it like a bike. You're not riding the front wheel. You're kind of riding the track. So that takes a little getting used to. It's almost like you just kind of let the front end kind of drift around and you just keep the horsepower on and you just flow, man. It is magical. If you mixed a jet ski, a motocross bike, and a snowboard together in a blender and pounded it, you would know what snowbiking feels like. It's amazing. It's unique. It's like,
love it.
It's unbelievable. And I just, if you guys want to do a trip, just count me in. I'll come ride with anyone. This is unbelievable. So
heck yeah.
I'm in.
Sweet,
definitely
dude.
Addicted.